Chelsea into the street. What's wrong, huh?
Yeah.
Is it not working right? Oh, hold on there. Don't have a wreck now. I guess we're done with the car. Oh, pretty green. Look at that pretty butterfly, Chelsea. Thank you. All right, let's go down the slide.
Oh.
Come over here.
No. Oh.
There's a truck, huh? Come down. Oh no. Got you.
Down. Yes.
Hi. She's gonna clean the swing off. What you doing, huh?
Nope.
Nope. Careful. Throw one in. Yay.
Look.
Uh-oh. Oh, good throw. Oh, wow. Come here. Let's get another rock. Come here. Got a stick right here. Chelsea wants to jump in the creek, but Grandma's not gonna let her. But she found a mud puddle. Got a mud puddle, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nice. Come back here to Grandma. Come here. Who is that? There she is. Who's under the blanket? Nod your head.
Wow. I feel happy.
Stomp your feet. Nod your head.
If you're happy and you know it, you can. I said something incorrect incorrectly, and it's because in the quote.
All right.
Well, just make it up. Yes, okay, so here's the bottom half. Now,
All right.
and I'm going to tell everybody
2-year-old. 2-year-old maid in tutu.
in your book. Far back.
Gonna jump.
Yeah.
Okay, get on that step and jump. Big jump. Woo! Jump. Woo! There goes Chelsea, she's babysitting. Bye, Chelsea.